In this video we will demonstrate how Mail and Deploy supports QlikView and Qlik Sense pivot tables. To use a QlikView pivot table in a report, locate the object in the data source browser, right-click and select New Table Element. Mail and Deploy offers many properties to configure how the pivot table will be integrated in your report. For example, you can specify to merge cells containing the same dimension and how the contents of those cells will be aligned. By default, Mail and Deploy keeps the style and formats of the table as close as possible to the original QlikView object. As you can see, left dimensions have been merged and have its contents aligned at the top. QlikSense pivot tables can be added to your reports in a very similar way. Locate the object in the data source browser, right-click and select New Table Element. QlikSense pivot tables support an additional presentation style with indented rows for left dimensions. The default output will look as close as possible to the pivot table in QlikSense, including any text or background colors you may have defined. If you don't want all the dimensions of your QlikSense pivot table to be expanded, Mail and Deploy allows you to specify the number of expanded left or top dimensions. Mail and Deploy offers many options to style and format tables. By default, the style of the original object in QlikView or QlikSense is used, but you can define custom styles or even create global styles to be applied to many different tables. When customizing styles, you can set each style property, such as font, text size, etc. individually. You can specify constant values or even calculate the value of a style property based on an expression. Start the best QlikView and Qlik Sense reporting experience today. Go to www.mailanddeploy.com to get more information or schedule a free demo.